When I practicing yoga by myself, I feel that I spending time, with myself and to know my thought. Whenever I have the trouble in life or whatever is bothering me, when I starting to do yoga, I feel more calm, more peace, and then I can get on through my life easier. I did learn things about myself. I found the bliss. The things that making me happy is to do yoga and teach yoga. So that's what I found. The location that we are in is we on Koh Phangan, Thailand, in Sitanu area. And here with our platform is located on the top of the hill, which is surrounded by the trees, by the nature, and it's actually one of the concepts that Sunny Yoga want to be present to the people that coming here. It is to be one with the nature. The experience that I want the people that come to my studio is that I want them to feel peace, to feel welcome, and to feel this is as their home. My mission as a yoga teacher is that I know life is not always going to be easy, but somehow I want them to see the yoga and using the yoga as a tool for them to continue into everyday life and to become a better person, with the way they're thinking, the way they're acting.
Yoga for me is like a daily ritual that keeps me focused on myself, connecting with my body, my soul, and my heart, and my joy, and my challenges. Yeah.
I don't know how to define it really. I don't think that anyone can really explain what yoga gives him, but it's good. It's so good for you. It's so good for me. It keeps you young. Amazing, really, it does.
It was amazing. It's probably one of the best yoga classes I've ever done. Yeah, it was very challenging, and it's been a while since I've done a class with an instructor. I've been traveling for a bit now, and it was really nice to have somebody push me outside of my comfort zone a little bit.
Okay, so when I teaching yoga, I try to helping them to go through the obstacle in their life, just like how I using the yoga to go through the obstacles in my life. I like to do something challenging, and I translate that as when the challenge is coming to you, what do you do in that situation? Yeah, so you might not have much choice, but what you can do is to breathe, be calm, do what you can, and just go on with your life. In our yoga teacher training, we have many teachers to join our team. All of our teachers in the teams are always specialized in something, and we want our students to have a solid foundations of all the things that they're going to be learning into the course. My TTC is based on Hatha Vinyasa. In my course, we're focusing on the basic poses. The basic poses, which can give you a strong foundation to go more into the advanced practice.
I came away from it with everything I need to carry on and start teaching straight away.
Our training is 30 days long, and then at the end you will have a chance to teaching in the real public class at the end, whoever choose to do that.
We studied the philosophy of yoga, Ayurveda, the Shivananda, Kundalini yoga. We learned about Ashtanga, and we got to try some different things like Yoga Nidra and rebirthing as well. So way beyond just the physical asanas.
We also have the ice bath, which is pretty cool if you've never seen it before. And hot weather, but we go into the cold water. Can be quite shocking, but feel good.
We use a combination of breathing techniques, ice baths, and yoga. And the idea of this is to help you build resilience to stress, so that whenever you encounter any situation in life, you can overcome it and not become a victim of the stress.
I actually told myself it was warm, and I actually felt that it was warm. I could feel the ice melting against my skin. It was crazy. Yeah, the power of the mind, huh?
This is something that the people tend to say, oh, I'm not flexible enough to do yoga. But you know, yoga is not about becoming flexible. It's about getting to know yourself. We're doing all these poses just so we can go deeper, know our mind, and so hopefully we find the peace inside ourselves there.